across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. En route for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, Asbury, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get off profits. What? The first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We'd better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, of course, for you, after all, even split 70-25, minus your 10% off 25. Yes, what is it?
There's a big problem there on the shipping. All of these crackers.
Prepping for the 5K. They have events right here. Are you by a vent?
No.
Over here.
You'll be up next flight. Alright, 5, come on down, come forward. Got these cards in view down. Your color is white. My 2 pilots next to the gunners. Usually my engineer, color is white. Signal writer, engineer, color is white. Go inside. How many do you have? 2, come on down. You're a pilot. You're also a pilot. Head straight down. How many do you have?
That was lucky. We didn't even have to ask. We're pilots.
We got pilot, everybody.
Don't crash us.
Come on over there. Woohoo! We're ready to go now. Red credentials.
crossing. Left is right, right is left. Let's fly this hunk of junk.
Yes.
Many times.
Many times?
Yeah.
Perfect. What do we not do?
Huh?
Good answer. Or you have to fix it because I don't know how to.
What's she?
What don't you do?
Oh, nothing. We don't, it's true, we don't crash.
Leave me alone. Head on and go ahead and
Thank you. Are you right?
Welcome, welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer, come closer. Ah, a brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Right flight ready this way quickly. Take a seat and buckle. Mission starts in 30 seconds. Go ahead and buckle up. All the way down. 30 seconds. Alright, pick a side. You're which side do you want? Alright guys, go ahead and buckle up quickly. Pull up in the yellow straps. Yellow straps. Yellow straps. Activate your console. Go ahead and activate your console. May the force be with you. Try to crash. Good run.
Don't crash us.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You better be faster when we get in trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Those heavy dies are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action!
I got pickets!
There it is! After that plane! Now, engineers, fire the harpoon! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. I am the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they did, maybe they're doing something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon the last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We're going to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.